So it's 15th of September and another major downpour. It's what? 1:30 p.m. of course. And I'm just looking how the street is looking, and so far it's okay. I just came from the basement to see, and it's also okay. So far everything is, let's say, draining, but you know, you have to keep an eye on the road, because if the road will be, you know, full of water, as like, you know, the backyard of the neighbors, they will once again vehicles will start pushing water on our backyard, and another flood will be. But so far, as you can see, the drain is holding up, one of the two drains. Yeah, hopefully. But yeah, I was checking because mom called me that in the city center they had flooding on the not her space, but across the street, directly across the street. Once again, the, what is it called, Mladinska Kniga, so publishing house, basically one of their many branches, stores, was flooded once again. So yeah, and Liza is drinking and coughing in the background. Yeah, hopefully everything will be okay this time. So, as you can see, Lizzie, pretty water. I have to check at the back. Okay, the back is okay for now. But as you can see, this is the problem. You know, if the drains on the street don't work, then all the water comes here, goes through here and inside. So yeah. Okay. So far, yeah, and here we have, you know, only the small drain, even though there are, you know, 4 quite big drains on the top. So yeah. Okay, we have to keep an eye on the situation. Yeah, still raining, and apparently it will be raining. Nagriva, pridi griva tuki, glej. Pridi tuki, Lula. Liza wants to go for a walk, but yeah, oh yeah, I have to check the back. Yeah, I have to go and check. Pet, Liza, greš lulat? Pet. A greš lulat, Lizzy? Liza, nope. Okay, let's check once again at the back. Apparently some places in Slovenia were hit in like 1 hour with 2/3 of monthly rain per average, you know. So yeah. Okay, let's some light show. Okay, let's see how is the basement looking. Oh yeah, nice. So the back is okay. So there is one drain there is second one is here, the third one is there, and there is the fourth one, and they are, yeah, they are in operation. As you can see here, no water. Kaj ti? A greš ven lulat, napet? Io, no fate. Ti. Agreva lulat. She's like, I'm thinking. So for our noon walk, we just made it. We went for like 20 minutes at the most. We caught one of the, let's say, windows when there was no rain. Yeah, okay, here is no. But yeah, when we came back, when we got back to the house, oh yeah, there was a lot of raining, and basically it hasn't stopped from, I think, noon. Okay, Liza will go. Pet, lulat, pet. Okay, I will have to stop because my cell phone is getting wet. I'm here under the second garage, under the roof, waiting for Her Majesty, Her Highness to go pee. Pridna, lulamo, kardejmo. Pridna. She's actually quite good with all this thunder and flash. Pridna! Pridna lulamo! Ecco. And she said, yeah, I'm done. Yeah, we are not going today for our evening walk, afternoon walk. That's it. Hopefully tomorrow we will catch another window of opportunity for a walk, but yeah, it doesn't look like so. Okay, let's put Liza inside and I will make another round around the house to see if everything is okay. Oh, and not hit by the lightning. Okay, the end.